how to get rid of hiccups fast. As the diaphragm contracts, it causes you to breathe air in very quickly, followed by a sudden closure of your vocal cords. This is what causes the hic sound. A hiccup occurs when the vagus nerve and the phrenic nerve send strong signals from the brainstem to the respiratory muscles. The external intercostal muscles, which run between the ribs and help with breathing, and the diaphragm contract and cause a forceful inhalation. Hiccups can be annoying and embarrassing when in public. In general, a bout of hiccups will go away without any treatment. However, there are many home remedies that can help stop hiccups. Cold water. You can shock your system with cold water to stop hiccups. Any kind of shock will cause distraction and will help put your hiccups to rest. Quickly drink a glass of cold water with honey in it and your hiccups will go away immediately. You can also gargle with cold water for 1 minute to keep hiccups at bay. Cover your mouth. Cup your hands over your nose and mouth, but continue breathing normally. The extra dose of carbon dioxide should help you get rid of hiccups. Gulp water without breathing in. An effective method to curing hiccups: take 7 big swallows of water without taking a breath. Hold your breath. Take a deep breath and hold it. While doing so, plug your nose and close your mouth. Now begin to move your diaphragm as if you were breathing in and out rapidly. Exhale once the hiccups disappear or you need more air. Repeat if hiccups persist. Breathe in and swallow. Breathe in as much as you can, then, without letting any air out, swallow. When you can't swallow anymore, exhale slowly. Plug your ears. Excuse yourself for a few minutes, and then stick your fingers in your ears for 20 to 30 seconds. Or press the soft areas behind your earlobes, just below the base of the skull. This sends a relax signal through the vagus nerve, which connects to the diaphragm. Sugar. Sugar is a great home remedy for hiccups, especially for small children who cannot effectively complete the methods described above. Swallowing sugar stimulates the vagus nerve and makes the body forget all about the hiccups. Fill 1 teaspoon with white or brown sugar, hold the spoon in your mouth for 5 seconds. Allow the sugar to dissolve slowly without chewing it. Take a sip of water and the hiccups will stop. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.